Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
everyone. Okay, I can see Milan, I can see Al Fatih. Others need to turn on your cameras. Hey, how was your day?
I was sitting here for like an hour waiting for the call and doing some mathific.
Magnific. Oh, I just remembered. Tomorrow we are having our mini news reporter competition. Are you guys prepared?
My dad still didn't make the mini news report or whatever the news is.
What happened? Why didn't you make it?
I told him, he said, I'll do it tomorrow, tomorrow, tomorrow. Now it came to this day.
Tomorrow is actually the tomorrow. By tomorrow we need it.
Oh no.
Will you be prepared by today?
Maybe, kinda. We'll make it.
Why maybe it's a competition.
I wasn't feeling well like before. My dad has extreme work, so he can't just make mine.
Are you guys having cold feet?
Because the climate is so Because my dad has to choose a news. If I choose a news, he won't let me say that news. He will choose a news.
Then ask your dad to choose
I'm
one.
saying yeah, because
Amila
he
is
has
saying,
too much work in his hands. So many people are almost all of the teachers are absent in his school, so he has to do their work.
then let
That's
Mama
why.
choose a news. Mama can choose a news. Barira, turn on your camera. Sidra, turn on your camera. Guys,
Mama
I don't
has to.
have to mention every
Mama
day.
has all.
See,
My mom has to take care of my sister in her class. I do my class alone. She's just sitting there with her doing her class.
then you will have to choose a news. Choosing news is not that difficult.
Okay, let me
Sidra,
just
please
search.
turn on the camera. You know I won't give attendance if there's no camera on and I cannot see you.
Miss, wait a minute.
Amila, I can see you, Amila. Hiya.
Mila, your screen is glowing. Yay, the whole gang is here now.
Okay, this is your gang?
Yeah, it's just me, Haya, and Amila.
Oh, girls gang. What about Sidra?
And the name is Pink Panther.
Hiya, turn on your camera, please. Sidra, turn on your camera.
Yes, miss.
Hmm. Okay, one more thing. Who all are there in
Oh, I
Phoenix?
found a nice one.
Phoenix
Today's
team?
news. Wait,
One second, Al Fateh.
today.
Phoenix, who all are
Today
there? Al
news for
Fateh,
kids.
one second.
Okay.
Who all are there in Phoenix? Please raise your hand, Phoenix, Phoenix. No one? None of you? No
I
one?
think we're all Griffin. Like we're all
All of
Griffin.
you are Griffin. Just check your Google Classroom which team you have been added to. Check the Google Classroom. Which team you are added to, Griffin or Phoenix?
Griffin.
Okay, Mila is
Griffin.
Griffin.
First it was Phoenix, then the admin officer changed me to Griffin. Ma'am?
I think I can help you.
But I don't know why admin officer changed to
Give me 1 second, Milan. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Give me 1 second. I have the list here, so it's fine. Let me check. Let me check. Give me 1 second. See, have you been added to Phoenix WhatsApp?
What?
Have you been added to Phoenix WhatsApp club?
Morning, guys.
Good morning. Who?
First I was added to Phoenix, then admin officer gave me a new class of Griffin.
Let me check that. I think I can
Ma'am,
help
is
you.
this news okay?
There's one thing. Our Phoenix parents meeting is today, like 7:30 p.m. UAE time. Okay. Let's see who all are there in that. Where is the list? I'm looking for the
Well,
list.
can you tell Indian time?
Indian time 9 p.m. 9 p.m. IST.
Okay.
Sounds good?
No, I'm limiting.
I can go in the other account one now, like the cards one. Now I'll find a way of getting.
Lazel, you're there in Phoenix, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We are having the meeting today, okay? 9 p.m. Indian time, 7:30 p.m. UAE time.
What meeting? What time?
Each club has a meeting to tell about the details of what all events are there and more
But
to
I'm
the
not
parents.
even coming for a sports day.
So this meeting is for the parents actually, not for the kids.
Okay.
Sounds
But
good?
what time? What time?
UAE time 7:30 p.m. Indian time 9 p.m.
So
Okay?
today is it for Phoenix or the group I am in, whatever the group's name
What
is?
green, please? Ma'am, today 7:30 we have a meeting.
Where are you right now, Milan? Are you in India or are you in UAE?
UAE.
So 7:30 p.m.
So I have to join class, right?
Yes, you have
Griffin.
to join. Not class. You have been added, right? To the Phoenix. So you have to join there. Okay?
In third year?
You have to join the Phoenix. How about I do one thing, Milan? I'll just check and send you which team you're actually in. Okay? Milan? Does that sound good? Yes, Haya. Haya?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am.
morning. Haya, you've been
Maybe
missing.
you have to choose a news for me out of these
If I
6
have
or
to
7
choose
news.
screens, I have to choose for everyone, right? That is not how it works.
But which one is good? Is it Hurricane Melissa and
Okay, give me the
USA
details.
government shutdown is seeing between AI videos look extremely real. Massive UK pumpkin sets new world record. He recently chose African leaders. White
Haya,
House
okay.
East
I
Wing
cannot
and
see your
USA
screen.
attacks.
Al-Fatih, we are reading too fast.
80-year-old man becomes the oldest woman to finish Iron Man.
Al-Fatih, we are reading too
And there's
fast.
another one over here.
Screen is not projecting.
Should I show you?
Yeah, that would be
Okay.
easier, right? Haya, I can see that your video is not working. Sorry.
These are the news I found.
Okay. Let's see.
These are news are for kids. All.
Hurricane Melissa. I like the Hurricane Melissa. You can actually do that.
There's one here, China's world's tallest bridge.
Nah.
Or this bird, whatever thing.
No, we
That's all of the news I have.
go with Hurricane Melissa.
Okay. This hurricane.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll just take a screenshot. Command Shift 4.
Okay, thank you, people. Remember, Phoenix meeting is there today. You have been added to that in the classroom. You have to join at UAE 7:30 p.m. UAE time and Indian time.
Who are the Phoenix members?
Yeah, Amina ma'am is here. She will help you out rest. Al-Fatih, don't worry. It's very clear.
Who are the Phoenix, ma'am?
You are in Phoenix?
I mean, who are the Phoenix members?
Actually, they have no idea.
They have no idea. Okay.
Oh wait, I think
everybody should
I
know
have
this, okay?
idea that I'm in the other group of
Phoenix
Phoenix.
doesn't know.
That's
Laser is
the
there in
only thing I
Phoenix.
know.
That much I know. Laser is there in Phoenix.
Restaurant Griffin, that's it.
I remember that I'm in Phoenix.
Me and
are in Griffin.
Okay, Haya, Siddharth,
I'm in
Laser.
Griffin.
I'm in Griffin.
But how do you get into? I don't remember. Griffin or
Amina,
you have to see it.
all the best. You can do it.
Abhilasha, but check them, okay? Because you need to
I'm
inform
going to
their
send
parents.
Ma'am, in my
personal message to the parents.
ma'am,
Otherwise,
in
it's
my
gonna work.
the Matific,
Yeah, anyways, I'll also check because I'm in Phoenix only. So
Because
I'll
even
tell
if
them
I
all.
tell them, they are not going to tell their parents. Never even a single message has reached from here to there.
Ma'am, I already told my parents about it.
You have told them? That's great.
me too.
Ma'am, will me, but will my mom be able to participate because I have a baby sister? She's very. Will all the teachers come?
Teachers will come. Yes, Phoenix teachers will come.
But some teachers want.
For the meet.
Ma'am,
Will be there.
ma'am.
I'll be there. Yes.
Ma'am, there's one problem in my Matific. Every time I come in, it shows you we logged you out.
Matific, right?
Like
Amina,
Yeah,
ma'am?
that. Yeah. Okay, Abhilasha, bye.
Okay,
Take care.
bye bye, people. I have another.
I was like playing adventure